Hi crafty friend, it's Mona here, thank you so much for joining me. From this video you will learn how to color these adorable rainbow cupcakes, as well as how to create mini cards. For this project I will use this cupcake image from the Palooza stamp set, this macaron from the Sweet Stuff stamp set, the mini essential die set, as well as the Starry Rainbow Die. For the clickable links, expand the video description box below. I stamped the images with violet all-purpose craft ink called Mardi Gras. I have used this color because I wanted to achieve a brighter look. Colorful outlines always helps in that. Before the coloring, I am giving a quick heat set to the images. This will fix them and will prevent ink smearing. I have created a template to show you the steps I will make during the coloring process. When you decide to try this coloring, just check back here and this will help you a lot. I am using water-based Tombow brush markers on Bristol Smooth cardstock, but feel free to try it with any type of markers you have with the right cardstock. I am starting with pastel violet color and I am trying to use it as a shadow. Now switching to light pink and adding lines very close to the purple because these two colors blend together well. My next color is a bright yellow color. This will brighten up the entire image and I am doing exactly the same brush flicks where I think. I am continuing with pastel turquoise, filling the gaps, but make sure to have white empty spaces as well. After the color building process, I am blending it together with the blender. I tried it with aqua brush, but for smaller images like this, the blender works much better. Now it's time to color the bottom of the image. I am creating this look with 3 shades and the blender. I am using a very soft beige, a mid-tone terracotta and the same violet color I have used for the cupcake. As you can see, it's all about the flicks and stripes. When the coloring is done, I am adding a quick heat set because the water-based coloring dries slower than the coloring with alcohol-based markers. Now I am adding finishing touches to the coloring with white pen. Currently I am using the 1/0 Sakura Jerry roll. After this we can say that the cupcake is ready. I also colored quickly some cute macarons as well. If the previous one looks difficult for you, don't be scared. Just try it. You will see that my guide will help you a lot. If you post it on your social media, don't forget to tag me so I can see your beautiful creation. Once the images were done, I ran them through my mini die cutting machine with the coordinating dies. And I continued with the die cutting. I have created 2 mini card fronts with the largest die from the mini essential dies from light pink and blue cardstock. I have also created rainbow die cuts off camera with the Starry Rainbow Die. Next I stamped the happy birthday sentiment from the Palooza stamp set to my card fronts with watermark ink, then I heat embossed it with white fine embossing powder. When it was done, I made a quick ink blending on the mini card fronts. I have used the Be Mine and It's a Boy ink pad colors by Catherine Pooler. Next, I splattered on it with white, pink and blue watercolors and let them air dry. Next, I just adhered everything together with different types of adhesive and put it to a 3 3/4 by 5 7/8 card base, which I folded in half. In the end, I created one more die cut with the Starry Rainbow dies, this time from white cardstock, and used the small stars to embellish my card. Once again, I encourage you to try this rainbow cupcake coloring, and when you post them to your social media, don't forget to tag me, because I will highlight 2 creators in my next video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, it always helps, and if you want to see more content from me, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for your time, see you soon, bye!